Hey, welcome back everyone. Sorry it's been a little bit since my last video, but been doing a bathroom renovation. So as you see, building cabinets for the bathroom. So I've been a little busy, but just finished up the latest cane. Did a little bent lamination. So I have a interesting shaped handle, very sturdy. A little bit of chip carving. Little detail work, all down to little 5/8 rubber foot. So I'm going to take you step by step through this bent lamination. We took about 30 layers of a thin teak veneer that I got a hold of. Laminated it all together. A couple of little pins in there for strength. And I'm going to show you how I went through all this. So stick around. Hope you enjoy the video. Alright, on this week's video, got a whole bunch of these thin strips. It's a nice hardwood. I think it was from a veneer. It's maybe not 1/8 of an inch, but I got several of them. So what I'm going to do is I made a little bend jig just out of a scrap piece of wood. We're going to glue up a few, bend it around. So we're going to start with the handle on this one. Had to quickly take it apart to put a little tuck tape in. I figured just to prevent the bent lamination from sticking to the form. We did 4 layers at the beginning. I figure I'm going to start with a solid core of these 4 and then just keep adding maybe 2 or 3 each time. So this process might take a little bit of time, but I think it'll yield a better result. So we glued everything up. It's about 1 inch thick, a little rough around the edges, but we will clean all this up, make it smooth, make it one thickness, but very rigid. Doesn't flex in any way, so this will be nice. So, finished up this bent lamination cane. Nice, very sturdy handle. Can't flex this at all. You saw how we put that together with 20 or 30 layers. Epoxied that in, a couple of pins for reinforcement. Beautiful little design. A little chip carving here, a little power carving. Adds a nice little detail down the shaft. All down to a small 5/8 rubber foot. About 34 inches tall to the point here. We're going to put together a little finish. A little Watco Teak oil. Should darken this up. I'm thinking this top's going to be quite dark, but there's a lot of variation on the shaft, so it'll be very interesting to see what's going to happen with that. So let's get to it. Just put a little bit in a container. A little piece of cotton. See how this handle goes. Oh, very nice. As we thought, darkened up. I'm not quite sure what these thin laminations were. It's coming out a little bit like teak, which it could be. The person I got that from said they've had this around for better part of 40 years. Those thin little sheets. That's a beautiful color. Let's see now on the shaft what we have. Nice grain. Yeah, you see that variation there. A couple of darker stripes. Patterns coming out. I think those two colors go together nicely. See some darker patterns there. Dark stripes. Very nice. So let me finish that up and we'll see how it all looks. And there's the final view of beautiful bent lamination cane. Fantastic handle. And a little bit of chip carving and detail work down the shaft. Hope you enjoyed the build.